Welcome to neaimagination.com. Please do subscribe if you didn't yet and ring the bell with subscribe button to get notified as and when I upload my new video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to apply or sew side broad piping on your suit. See, this is very simple suit and I can use the contrast color to make side broad piping and enhance the look of my old kurti or suit. See, this is the kurti. If you are making new kurti and that is simple, then you can apply that. If it is already stitched or your old kurti, then you can change the appearance with help of this side broad piping. Okay, so see, just open this from one side if it is already stitched. If it is not stitched, then you are going to apply this and you are going to mark on the sides. Okay, so as I am teaching you today, I am teaching you both methods on your fresh kurti or with your old kurti. Okay, so for example, this is your fresh kurti and you are going to make side measurements for bust, waist and hip like so, and going to mark like so. Okay, even if you are making this with help with the your old kurti which is already stitched, then please do unstitch from one side and there is no need to unstitch from another side. So unseam that with help of seamer from only one side. Okay, and then there stitch marks will come, so you can apply the chalk and mark like so. And right now I am measuring the full required length. For example, in my case it is almost 31 inches, so I will take 2 more inches. Why I take 2 more inches? Because in case it will be longer, then I can cut some amount, so I am taking 2 more inches to be on safer side. Okay, so this is the cloth, and width wise you are going to take 1 more inches required than required width. Okay, for example, see, if there is any border in your suit and it is of 1 inch, okay, and then you are going to take 1 more inches width wise. So it means right now I am going to take 2 inches width wise like this. So I required 2. So actually I took a long cloth and I folded it almost 4 times so that I can cut this on one go. Okay, and width wise I took it 2 inches and I require 2 strips for 2 sides, so that is why I'm taking 2 strips of 2 inches. So let's see. Now turn it half inches toward inner side, wrong side of the cloth, and do iron with help of press. See, I am ironing it after turning half inches because we took 1 inches extra cloth than required, so we can iron it easily. After that you are going to iron toward another side. See, I am taking from another side toward the other side half inches and do iron it till end. So in this manner I will be able to make 2 strips and I am going to apply on 2 sides. Okay, if you are making this on fresh dress, then you can apply it like this, or even if you are making this on your old dress, then you are going to unseam one side and you can sew this on the side. So how to apply? Do not apply exactly on the marking. You can apply just 1 foot of sewing machine toward the inner side of the marking, because in future it may require to tight the dress or loose the dress, so it will not your piping will not come in stitch in that manner. So you can use this and apply this somewhat inner side of the mark point. See carefully how I am putting this, and I am inserting these pins over here, and here is the curvy part, so I am keeping this in curve shape like so. It may require to give small pleat, so that will be okay from one side. So let's see, I am applying the pins here. Just remember to leave small margin from the marked points like so, and here also you can see I am leaving the small margin and applying this pin so that it will be secured here. So here